Hello guys, let's explore the delivery numbers. In February 2024, NIO delivered 8132 cars, totaling 18,187 this year. Xpeng managed 4545 deliveries. Alright friends, let's talk about delivery numbers. NIO has delivered 8132 cars in February 2024. A total of 18,187 cars have been delivered so far this year. Okay, but there's nothing particularly special month over month. We'll discuss this in a moment. Now, Xpeng has actually only delivered 45 cars. So you know NIO is doing quite well in deliveries. Alright, so if we look at deliveries, NIO has delivered 8132 cars, which is actually 19.1% less than the 10,055 cars delivered in January and 33.1% less than the 12,157 cars delivered in February 2023. Okay, last year what was quite interesting was that Chinese New Year was in January. This year, Chinese New Year is in February. So it's fair to just combine the 2 months. So if you add them up, in 2024, we get 18,187. But last year, if you add both together, you get 20,663. So actually, year over year, it's 11.98% less. And these are the 2 months combined, January plus February. Total deliveries year over year are down by 11.98%. All right, we'll come back to this in a moment. But first, I just want to go into the numbers for individual vehicle deliveries for you. So there we have numbers for the ES6. We have the numbers for the 4th week of February from the 19th to the 25th of February. So clearly, after Chinese New Year, this is the Chinese New Year. We are seeing a significant rebound. This is quite good. So these are the numbers for the ES6 there. But overall, deliveries are slightly low trending down. So hopefully, we'll see the 2024 variants of the cars very soon. And hopefully, we'll see a spike back up again. So that would be very good. There is anticipation for something better. The most interesting thing is ET5 and ET5T. Now, it has emerged much faster compared to the ES6. So in the 4th week of February, there were 944 cars. This is a significant up move, and indeed, it's more than the 2nd week of February. So this is quite good, but we still need to see it in thousands. That would be a healthy amount. All right, next is ES8. ES8 is going down a bit because ES8. Well, first it was that ES8 is still the best NIO you can get. All right, like that. And we saw that deliveries reached 700 every week. That was really good. But since then, it's going down a bit. And although we've seen a rebound, it's not as strong as some others have. But all right, we'll take it. Whatever good rebound it is, it's a rebound. So that's good, 777, all right. There's also a rebound of 776 deliveries for the 4th week of February. But the interesting thing is that 86 deliveries are for 3 models. 7, all right, selling more than asked, and this is a car model. All right, so ES8 sold 3 more cars than 777, ET7, ES7, and EC7. So clearly, there's a need for a lot of refreshing, and the 2024 Variant 7 Series promises a very good refresh, and it's said that ET7 will come with rear screens, dual rear screens, so this might significantly boost things. In my opinion, ET7 will become the most favored NIO. All right, but this is just my opinion. Next, we have EC6. EC6 is also a very good rebound. EC6 deliveries peaked for the first time in the 5th week of December at 885 every week. Now in the 4th week of February, 326 deliveries. It's still quite good, but we want to see deliveries for EC6 in the 600 range. That would be quite healthy. All right, next topic is deliveries. If you look at everything together, you can see in a very interesting way that ET5 and ET5T are now the #1 best-selling models for NIO this week. Okay, For the first 4 weeks of February, I've included this chart, ignoring the second and third weeks because they were odd occurrences. But yes, then you see that everyone else dropped down, and then EC6 is doing fine. So clearly, the big volume driver is still ES6 and ET5, ET5T. And this is the same place where you see in most stores where only 3 vehicles can be kept. They will keep ES6, EC6, and ET5T. So these are the best sellers. They will keep them. Now they are the competitors. This is very interesting. So Zeekr 001. Also a good rebound BMW A3. A good rebound. And then BMW iX3 and BMW i5. Also quite a good rebound, okay. Especially if you look towards Model Y with 8316 deliveries per week for the first week of February. This is a tremendous amount. This is quite a large amount, really. Okay, they're 816 IETO N7. Indeed, this is a hybrid EREV 6427. Interesting. Yes, there are competitors i5, iX3, i3, and Zeekr 001. So if you look at a very interesting chart there, all competitors are put together and it seems a bit off. But if you look at the current standings, you'll find that ET5 and ET5T are outselling everyone else combined. Okay, so this is the best car model, followed by ES6, then BMW i3, then Zeekr 001, then BMW iX3, and then EC6 is ES8777. So in terms of sales, there is quite a dominance over others. And actually, I believe there might be some slight delays in deliveries anyway. For the March refresh, we'll see a good boost in deliveries for the 2024 refresh. This will get a bit bigger, but overall, I think this year is quite challenging due to competition from all brands. Zeekr 001 has just launched its 2024 variant. That's why deliveries might be dropping for the current variant. And this could be valid for NIO as well. Right now, everyone is waiting for the 2024 variant. Anyway, there are discounts on the existing inventory cars of the 2023 variant. But people are not pulling the trigger and waiting for the 2024 variant. So deliveries are low, and it is hoped that later deliveries will skyrocket with the 2024 variant, and this is something to look forward to. But I feel that sending goods this year might be difficult. As you can see, February and January are already less than before, and it's going to be a very competitive scene. And I think the reason for our protection is the sub-brand that is presenting a car that everyone can buy, a Ford, and a battery swap offer, which is a fantastic combination. And I'm telling you the truth, maybe that sub-brand car will sell at least 5,000 units a week. Okay, maybe. If they priced it right, starting at around 200,000 RMB and with good features. Okay, 5,000 a week, that would indeed be amazing. Look at NIO. Their peak sales for the ES6 were 2935 units per week. So at 5,000 units per week, this will absolutely be a game changer, buddy. This will immediately change NIO life, meaning sending out 30,000 units per month. So there's hope for something like that. But with the sub-brand, we're still quite far away, unfortunately. Thank you for joining us today. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more stock predictions and market insights. Remember to turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. Happy investing, and see you in the next video.